vulture nor kite I know smells so swiftly the stinking flesh, as clerks and preachers where they go smell out where the rich man lies in his mesh. Straightway they are his private friends, and when sickness beats him and his end, they make him make a donation so grand that his own kin have no profit in the land. Frenchmen and clerks live praised for ill, for good comes to them from it full well. And money lenders and traders still have the whole world as I can tell. For with lying and with cheating's hand, they have so troubled the whole land that there is no religious order, none that does not know its lesson and has it done. Do you know what becomes of the wealth in the end of those who hold it wickedly? There shall come a strong robber, my friend, who will leave them nothing utterly. That is death who strikes them down, and with 4 ells of linen gown sends them into such a house below, where they find of ill enough and woe. Man, why do you do such follies part, that you pass the commandment in your path of God, who is your Lord in your heart and has formed you from nothing in his wrath? The sow holds to the market stand, that man who with God takes war in hand, for he shall have such a reward, I say, as Judas the felon had on his day. And grace, Lord, be our shelter and our shield. Guard from infernal pain in its place, sinners and from torment's field, and loose them from the sin's own trace in which they are taken and bound and sealed, and give them true pardon face to face with true confession.